Hello everyone. Today we're diving into how to customize the styles of your website. In Portfolio Box, there are two main types of styles: global styles, which apply across your entire site, and element styles, which target specific elements and can override the global settings. And if you'd rather not tweak every detail manually, Portfolio Box also offers ready-made font and color combinations. Let's start with those ready-made combinations. Open the Styles menu to find them. These presets are a quick way to reset all global colors and fonts on your site, and you'll see the changes applied instantly. Portfolio Box includes several color combinations with both light and dark backgrounds. Choosing a color combination updates your site's background color, base text color, and an accent color used for links and buttons. For this example, we'll go with a light green background and a green accent color. Next, let's choose a font combination. Font combinations automatically define the fonts used for headings, body text, menus, titles, and subtitles. After trying a few options, we'll select the one that best fits our design. Now let's move on to styling individual elements. To edit an element, click the pen icon next to it. We'll start with the heading. Click Styles to access the customization options, such as font, font size, text color, alignment, and more. At the top, you can choose to edit the desktop or mobile styles. In this video, we'll focus on desktop styles only, and we'll take care of the mobile styles once we're done building the website. Below, you can choose whether to edit this specific element or apply the changes globally to all headings of the same type. Since we want all our headings to share the same style, we'll switch to global and increase the font size. Next, let's edit the text below. Click the pen icon, then Styles again. This time, we'll stay in the local settings because we don't want every text block on the site to follow the same styling. Here, we'll slightly increase the font size. The image already looks good, but it's worth noting that image styles can also be adjusted. You can add overlays or shadows, change the width or height, and control how the image fits within its container. Now let's style the services section below the image. Click the pen icon and open Styles. We'll start in the Global tab by increasing the font size. Then we'll switch back to the Local tab and scroll down to edit the title styles. These changes apply only to this section and override any global styles set earlier. We'll make the font lighter, change the capitalization to all caps, increase the font size even more, and add a bit of letter spacing so the titles really stand out. That section looks great, so let's move on. For the next section, we'll increase the font size of the title. Once again, click the pen icon, choose Styles, and use the global slider to adjust the size. We'll repeat the same steps for the list below. We'll increase the font size and add a bit of line height to give the text more breathing room. In the final section, we'll increase the font size of the short text using the global settings, just as we did before. We'll also tweak the button styles. Click the pen icon next to the button, open Styles, and switch to the Global tab. Increase the radius to the maximum value to give the button a softer, more rounded look. Beyond global and element styles, you can also style entire sections. Click Edit Section, then Styles. Here, you can change the text color for the whole section, add and customize borders, adjust padding and minimum height, and edit the background using colors or images. You'll notice that every Styles panel includes a Reset Styles button. This removes all custom styling and restores the default appearance. You now know how to style your pages, sections, and individual elements. To keep your design consistent, we recommend starting with global styles first, then fine-tuning individual elements as needed.